Hello everyone, I am Amit. Welcome and thank you for visit my channel. So today I am telling you how to connection AC dual starter connection for motors. So stay with me and let's check. Welcome back guys. This is a starter. Not actually starter. This is a contactor. And connection will be ready to starter. So what is the function and how to connection I will show you. Starter connection need two type switch and two type functions. So green type switch in my hands, this is a NO switch, and another red one, this is a NC switch. Two type functions already have inside the starter. I linked it outside for show you. So how is the work these functions it inside the contactor. You can see that the contactor 3 on 3 terminals, rear side and front side. So one side is a power supply, input power supply, and another side is a output power supply. And now we are the first connection, output power supply for lamps. We should be heavy tighten up connection, do not be loose. Output supply lamp connection is to be ready, and then we will be NC and NO switch connection. Now we are the main power supply input connection, phase and neutral connection in right terminal. Phase wire NC switch to direct terminal connection, and neutral wire direct input connection. Now you can see that there are 3 terminals at the top. So one of them terminal is a coil terminal. So neutral wire to connected coil terminal. And here power supply to another way by NO switch. So connection is to be like here, main power supply NC switch to input terminal connection, and NC switch to power supply NO switch connection, and NO switch tapping power supply in last one empty input terminal connection, and another side output empty terminal connection, and at the top coil terminal connection by the NO switch. Green color is a NO switch and normally open, and another red color is a NC switch, normally closed. That's why water pump motor is on switch is green and off switch is red. Finally connection is ready, so let's check. it's perfectly work. And if you like my video,